Hi friends, welcome to the topic probability. This is part 7. In this video, we will be discussing about probability questions related to days. To solve those questions, first of all, you should know how many types of years present. There are two types of years. One is non-leap year and other one is leap year. Non-leap year. Non-leap year is also called ordinary year. Non-leap year is also called ordinary year. How many days present in non-leap year? 365 days. Total 365 days. How many weeks present in these 365 days? How many weeks? 52 weeks. 52 weeks. Have we get this 52? 365 by 7. Because 1 week has 7 days. So 365 by 7 we get 52 weeks. And 1 day remaining. That remaining 1 day is nothing but 1 odd day. This 1 day may be Sunday or Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday or Saturday. This 1 odd day may be one of these 7 days. This is very important information to solve the questions related to days in probability. This is about a non-leap year. Now see leap year. What is meant by leap year? If any year has 366 days, then that year is called a leap year. How many days? 366 days. How many weeks? 52 weeks. Same, 52 weeks. 366 by 7. Then we get 52 weeks. Next 2 days are remaining. So those 2 days are called 2 odd days. These 2 days are Sunday, Monday or Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday and Sunday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 2 days are one of these 7 possibilities. Okay. Now see questions. First question. In an ordinary year, what is the probability of getting, first one, 53 Mondays? In an ordinary year means non-leap year. In non-leap year, how many weeks are there? 52 weeks. 52 weeks plus 1 odd day. That 1 odd day may be Sunday, Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday or Saturday. First sub question is 53 Mondays. In these 52 weeks, already there are 52 Mondays. Next, 53rd Monday. Get 53rd Monday from these 7 days. Monday. There is only 1 Monday in this set. So, 1C1 means 1. 1 by total possible cases or total possible outcomes. Total possible outcomes are 7. 1 by 7. Next, second question. Exactly 52 Mondays. Exactly 52 Mondays means already 52 Mondays are present in these 52 weeks, yes or no? So don't take Monday from this set for this second question. Don't take Monday from this set. Means what are the remaining? How many remaining days are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So select any one of those 6 days. 6C1 by total 7. That equal to 6 by 7. Next, third question. Even number of Fridays. Even number of Fridays means here, how many Fridays are there in 52 weeks? 52 Fridays. Yes or no? So that is even, not odd. So don't take a Friday from this set. Okay. Don't take a Friday from this set. What are the remaining days? How many remaining days? 6. So 6 by total 7. Fourth question, odd number of Saturdays. Odd number of Saturdays means here 52 Saturdays. Then select one Saturday from this odd day. Then there are 53 Saturdays. That is odd number. Yes or no? So select Saturday from this set. Saturday means here. Okay. Saturday. Select Saturday from this set. Only one possible way because only one Saturday is there. And total number of possible outcomes are 7. 1 by 7 is the result. See second question. In a leap year, what is the probability of getting? In a leap year, there are 52 weeks and 2 odd days. 2 odd days means Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now see first sub question. 53 Mondays. Already 52 Mondays present in these 52 weeks. Get one Monday from this set. 53 Mondays. Here see Sunday, Monday and Monday, Tuesday. There are 2 possible outcomes. So 2C1. There are 2 possible means 2 favorable cases to get Monday and total number of outcomes are 7. 7C1. So 2 by 7. See second question. 52 Sundays. 52 Sundays already present in these 52 weeks. Yes or no? Don't take Sunday from this set. That is the answer. Except Sunday, select favorable cases. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. There are 4. Here Saturday and Sunday. Here Sunday and Monday. Except these 2, there are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. There are 5 favorable cases. So 5 by total number 5 by 7. See third question. Odd number of Fridays. Odd number of Fridays means here even number of Fridays are there. In these 52 weeks there are 52 Fridays, even number of Fridays. But here find out the probability of getting odd number of Fridays. Odd number of Fridays means here select a Friday from this set. How many possible ways? 1, 2. 2 possibilities are there. So favorable cases are 2. 2C1 by total number of outcomes 7. 2 by 7. Next question is fourth one. Even number of Sundays. Even number of Sundays means here 52 Sundays are there in these 52 weeks. So there are even number of Sundays. So don't take Sunday from this set. Don't take Sunday from this set means here what are the remaining possibilities? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 5 by 7. Take any one of these 5. So 5C1 by 7C1. 5 by 7. Next fifth one. 53 Sundays and 53 Mondays. 53 Sundays and 53 Mondays. Okay, here 52 Sundays are there and 52 Mondays are there. Select one Monday and one Sunday from this set. One Sunday and one Monday means this is one case. To get one Sunday and one Monday extra. Only one possible way. So 1 by 7. This one is Sunday, Monday. To get 53rd Sunday and 53rd Monday, SM, take that one 1 by 7 total. Next, sixth one, 53 Fridays and 52 Saturdays. 53 Fridays means take a Friday from this set. 1, 2. Okay, TF and FS. To take 53rd Friday. Next, 52 Saturdays. 52 Saturdays. Already 52 Saturdays are present here. Don't take Saturday here. So don't take this one. Don't take Saturday. There is only one case, TF. Don't take FS because only 52 Saturdays. Here 53rd Saturday is present in this case. So take only one TF, 1 by 7. 1 is for TF. Now see seventh question. 52 Wednesdays and 52 Thursdays. 52 Wednesdays are there and 52 Thursdays are there. Don't take Wednesday and Thursday from this set. So here Wednesday, Thursday, and here also there is a Thursday. Except these three cases, take any one from these 4. So 4 by total 7. 4 by 7 is the result. See third question. In the month of July, what is the probability of getting? In the month of July. July month has how many days? 31 days. 31 days. First sub question, probability of getting even number of Sundays. How many Sundays are there in these 31 days? To find out that one, first of all, divide this 31 by 7. Convert these 31 days in the form of weeks. So divided by 7 means how many weeks are there? 4 weeks, 28. 4 7s are 28. Remaining 3 days. 3 days are odd days. 3 odd days. 4 weeks plus 3 odd days. What is the set here for 3 odd days? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Next Sunday, Saturday, Sunday and Monday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cases. Okay, these 3 odd days are these. This is the set. 31 days, 4 weeks. Here first sub question is even number of Sundays. 4 Sundays are there in these 4 weeks. But here even number of Sundays. Okay, even number of Sundays are there. Don't take Sunday from this set. Here don't take this one. And don't take this one, don't take this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here not Sunday, this is a Saturday. So remaining are 4 favorable cases. 4C1. Okay, from these 4 favorable cases, take only 1 4C1. No need to write 4C1, directly write 4 by total number of outcomes are 7. 4 by 7 is the result. Second one is odd number of Fridays. 4 Fridays are present in these 4 weeks. Odd number means select a Friday from this set. Select Friday 1, 2, 3. There are 3 cases. So 3 by 7. Now see fourth question. In the month of February, what is the probability of getting even number of Mondays? In the month of Feb, what is the probability of getting even number of Mondays? Answer is cannot be determined. Because we don't know the number of days present in February. Because we don't know the year. Ordinary year or a leap year. If the year is ordinary year, then February month has only 28 days. If the year is a leap year, then February month has 29 days. If we know the February month days 29 or 28, then we can solve this question. But here directly they have given in the month of Feb. What is the probability of getting a even number of Mondays? We can't find the answer because we don't know number of days present in that February month. So answer is cannot be determined. I hope you understand all these questions. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. For more videos, please do subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.